Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the blueprints for the power cell terminal. So for this particular unit, you're going to need to scan 2 different power cell terminals, and it's built with 3 titanium, 3 copper, and 1 wiring kit. So to find this, we're going to head to the north, and we're going to be looking for Camp 1. It's the torn apart old base before you get to the old habitat that is strewn about just north of this angel comb. It's kind of strewn all over the top of this base, well, over the top of this rock sort of outcropping here. And the first terminal that we need is inside of here. Just be careful for that shark guy over there. He might want to try to take a nibble out of you. So we're just going to pop into this tube here. And if you zip on through here and look out to the left on this little bulkhead, you can scan the first fragment right here. Once you have that bad boy scanned, we're going to go back to our ship, which was just attacked by that shark guy, and we're going to go straight to the east. To the east is going to be a large wreckage of an old ship, and inside of this ship wreckage, we're going to go to the belly of it, which requires us to go down here into this little crevice. And in the belly of this ship is going to be a giant docking bay. We're going to go inside of here. And then the next fragment is available to you right here on the wall. And then that's it. You should be able to build your power cell charger and put it up on the wall. And while you're here, you can also get a processor scan. You can get a blueprint. And then you can also scan one of the 3 fragments to get yourself a tadpole, and one of the fragments to get the power plant. Although the power plant that you can get inside of this game has not been super great. It's kind of piddly in my opinion, so I don't necessarily recommend that over other sources of electricity. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.